Alright, it is day 4 of finding skate parks in and around London, and this one was recommended to us by Santiago from North London Skate Club. We saw it on his Instagram and it looks brand new. So we're out by Meridian station. I don't know, I've never been here before, but they're building all of these homes, these studio flats, 1 and 2 bedroom homes. So at the moment it's all kind of boarded up, like the walkways. But as part of these big developments, they often redevelop and redesign green spaces. So it looks like they've already completed the park and it's already open. All of the streets around this park are absolutely no parking. They're permit holders only, and it's very, very strict and tight. So I would recommend, if you come here, to go to that nearest train station. So as you enter the park, you can see the official launch of the park at Meridian Water was on Thursday the 17th of April. This is less than like a week old, basically. Welcome to Hoppa Play and Skate Park. They have site offices, obviously. You got, oh nice, this is the entrance. Nice path. You got bike racks. Cool. You got a play park. Looks like a really cool play park for kids. And then on the other side is this little skate space. I'm liking the design of it. Cool. Check this out. It's a nice bank. It's all street materials. It's got a ride-on edge. You broke your leg, but you've got 2 legs. They look pretty good. They're good now. Yeah. You are very lucky. This is a very nice skate park.
I live like 2 minutes away.
Cool. If you keep skating this every day, you'll be very, very good. Cool. Look at this bowl. Nice.
Why is there a rock in it?
Yeah, there's a massive rock in it. Let you get that out. I like the plants. Do you like the play park? Kind of. You prefer it in here in the skate park? Yeah, good for you. There's a taco. I don't know if I'm going to have to cut this and restart. Anyway, there's a very nice, it's kind of like a, oh, it's a weird one. It's a bowl. Part of it has no coping, so part of it's kind of a ride-in. You can roll into it, or there's coping. So it kind of forms a mini ramp. But it gets smaller on this side. It gets lower on that side. This slappy curb, I think, is what I'm here to live for. We've got high ledge, medium ledge. It's a nice mix of street and transition, and the transition's mellow. And the street has some quirky little obstacles or edges to it to kind of give that variety. So overall, I think they've done a really good job with this street space, and the fact that they've made the floor out of like street materials. It's kind of very like a plaza. Alright, as I said about the parking, there's absolutely no free parking nearby, so we're going to have to move on because I don't want to pay a hefty fine on that.